Hello, this is the Daily Forex Report for January 13th. We're looking at the US-Japanese yen pair first. This pair moved lower, did break previous support, but pulled back to close above it. Still looking for this pair overall to be moving sideways. Looks like we could move down and break below these lows. Close below these lows would definitely indicate that we're moving to the downside. Possibly moving up to 83.50, possibly down to 82.13. Look for some resistance around 83.15 and look for some support around 82.50. Now the Euro USD, this pair closed up once again, moved strong to the upside, got right in line, closed right in line with previous resistance. We are looking for this pair to continue moving to the upside. Breaking above these highs, closing above these highs would be a signal that we're going to continue to the upside. If we start getting some sideways motions, we'll just have to wait and see. We could see it move down at that point. But we could possibly see it go as high as 135.76, possibly as low as 130.11. Look for some resistance around 13400 and look for some support around 132.75. Now looking at the pound US dollar pair. This pair closed to the upside as well. It pulled back a little bit before the close. We are looking for it to continue to the upside, possibly moving up to 159.98, possibly down to 156.43. Look for some resistance around 158.82 and look for some support around 157.15. Now the US Swiss, this pair overall is moving sideways, had a very large range compared to the upside compared to where it closed, closing down. Look for it to potentially go as high as 198.19, possibly as low as 195.05. Look for some resistance around 0.9705 and look for some support around 0.9601. Now, as far as news announcements go, we have the advanced retail sales for December being released by the U.S. at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Time. Consensus on that is that it's held steady at 0.8%. We also have Consumer Price Index for December being released at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Time. Consensus on that is that things have moved slightly higher from 1.1% to 1.3%. And we also have the University of Michigan's confidence report for January being released at 9:55 a.m. Eastern Time. Consensus on that is showing that the confidence has improved a little bit from 74.5 to 75.5. Now, let's take a look at what we're looking at as far as trades. Go to the Euro US dollar pair, zoom out a little bit. You will see that we have a little bit. We've had this strong move to the upside. We have this area of support. We have this area. Let's see what a trend line looks like if we were to basically create a trend line from this high to this high. You can see that we are under it still. Potentially could break through it to the upside and look to go higher. Now, if that does occur, where are some potential exits? Let's show you right here. And now let's zoom back in. To the upside, if we get a break of this trend line, you could look to grab about 30 pips really quick and still be in line with previous areas of resistance. If you wait until it goes all the way up, it's about a 100 pip trade. You definitely go to break even at 30 and see if it will make the other 70. Basically, we're looking to buy right here, then look for a potential exit 30 pips up, and then our second exit would be at 100 pips up. Use a risk to reward of 1-to-1 on this. 30 pips or so should be plenty. Well, that about wraps us up for today. Until next time, this is Jason Fielder. Good trading.